Karnataka offers very different experiences depending on where you go. You can stay inside a rainforest in Coorg, beside a wildlife sanctuary in Kabini, on a coffee estate in Chikmagalur, on a secluded beach in Gokarna, or even inside a palace-inspired resort near Hampi. The best resort for couples is not necessarily the most expensive one. It is the one that matches the kind of experience you want. So let's look at some of the best couple-friendly resorts in Karnataka, starting from affordable luxury and moving all the way to ultra-premium romantic escapes. First is Rosetta Sakleshpur. Located in Alur, around a 3-hour drive from Bangalore, via the upgraded Bangalore-Mangalore highway. Prices generally start around 12,000 rupees per night. The resort is spread across 100 acres of coffee plantations and offers spacious suites with private balconies overlooking the estate. Couples can enjoy the large infinity pool, spa treatments, lakeside walks, and evening activities around the property. One unique feature is the Navilu Suite, which includes an open-to-sky shower surrounded by nature. For couples looking for a premium getaway that is easy to reach from Bangalore, Rosetta is one of the strongest options. Next is the Serai Kabini. Located on the edge of Nagarhole National Park, around 4.5 hours from Bangalore. Prices generally start around 16,000 rupees per night. This resort is perfect for couples who enjoy water views and wildlife. The waterfront villas feature private sit-outs, hammocks, open lawns, and some categories even include outdoor jacuzzis. Couples can enjoy sunset boat rides, riverside dining, kayaking, and spa treatments overlooking the river. It combines luxury with a peaceful wilderness atmosphere. Moving into the premium category, we have the Tamara Coorg. Located in Kakkabe, Coorg, about 5 hours from Bangalore. Prices generally start around 20,000 rupees per night. One reason this resort is so popular among couples is its adults-only policy. The cottages are built on stilts above the forest canopy, creating a feeling of complete isolation. The resort organizes coffee experiences, stargazing sessions, guided treks, and private dining experiences. If peace and privacy are your priorities, the Tamara is one of the best romantic resorts in Karnataka. Next is Trivik Hotels and Resorts, Chikmagalur. Located near Mullayanagiri Peak at an elevation of around 5,400 feet. Prices generally start around 25,000 rupees per night. This is one of the highest luxury resorts in Karnataka. Every suite includes a separate living room, private balcony, and indoor jacuzzi with mountain views. The infinity pool overlooking the Western Ghats is one of the most photographed resort pools in South India. Couples can also book romantic retreat packages that include candlelight dinners, spa treatments, and guided nature walks. Next is the Ibni Coorg. Located near Madikeri within a 120-acre eco-luxury estate. Prices generally start around 30,000 rupees per night. This resort focuses on privacy and wellness. The premium cottages feature outdoor jacuzzis, while the pool villas come with private infinity pools overlooking the valley. The property is known for sustainable luxury, bird-watching experiences, forest walks, and personalized wellness treatments. For couples looking to disconnect and relax, the Ibni offers one of the most peaceful experiences in Coorg. So which one should you choose? If you want an easy weekend getaway from Bangalore, Rosetta Sakleshpur is a great option. If you love riverside settings and wildlife, the Serai Kabini stands out. For adults-only privacy, the Tamara Coorg is hard to beat. For mountain views and jacuzzis, Trivik is one of the best. For wellness-focused luxury, choose the Ibni. Check the link in the description. Search the homestay name and book to get discount.